Well, hey guys, welcome back. You know, I have noticed an uptick in the comments on the channel about how my skin is looking. And I really do appreciate the compliments. I really do. And I do know why, and I'm ready to share it with you today in this video. Okay, so today we are talking about what's making my skin look so good right now. I have been testing out a product for the last month. It's a clay mask. It's from Gleamin. It's this one right here, and we're going to talk about that on today's video. I'm going to give you a review and tell you how to use it and what my experience with it has been. When Gleamin reached out to me to do this, you guys know I don't do a lot of sponsored videos. I really don't. I rarely find any kind of product that I feel like I can put my name behind and get paid a little something for it. But they wanted me to try the product. So, you know, the first thing I did was go and look online at the ingredient list to see what's in this stuff. Because as you guys know, on this channel at least, we're all about skincare ingredients and their effectiveness over brand name and price. And I gotta tell you, I was really surprised when I looked at the ingredient list because I could not find one single ingredient that I didn't like. I know, right? In fact, it had many skincare ingredients that I actually really like to see in formulations like castor oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. It also has pure botanical fruit extracts, which would be the vitamin C proponent of this particular product, all formulated with a very yellow Australian clay along with turmeric and aloe and even vitamin B5. That's really a great ingredient mix. So of course I said yes. And again, as I said, been trying it out for a month and it really has made a difference in my skin. Now, if the ingredients weren't impressive enough, amazing, right? They're also a company that's cruelty-free and the product is made with all organic ingredients. So again, just a really solid formulation for a clay mask. And you guys, I test so many masks out. It's very rare that I find one that actually gives me some sort of very visible, measurable results. Now, I also have to tell you that I was a little worried because of the fact that the clay is very yellow and it has turmeric in it, which is this spice right here. And as you can see, it's a very yellow spice. And if it gets on your skin, it has a propensity or a tendency to stain it, which I have found the hard way. So I can tell you right now, the mask does not stain at all. So I was, relieved. I did a patch test. You guys always know I do patch tests. Did that on the inside of my arm. And as I washed that away, I was a little worried that it might be yellow, but it wasn't. So very, very good formulation, not going to stain your clothing or your skin. Now, the promise of this product is that it's going to give you an instant barefaced glow, help even out your skin tone and fade dark spots. So obviously some of you have already noticed the difference in my skin because you've been talking about it again in the comments. So I use the product twice a week and I've used it over the past month. So I've done it 8 times. 9 times for the demonstration part of this video that you'll be seeing in just a second. So yeah, very happy with the product overall. So let's have a little fun and do some quick unboxing. The product looks like this. It comes in this box, very bright, very colorful. Inside of it, you get a brush to apply the product, which is really great. And then of course you get the pot of the clay mask itself. Now, as you can see, as I said, it's very, very yellow, and it actually smells really, really good. All botanicals, no fragrance, no artificial or synthetic fragrance in this product. So I really like that too. So the instructions for applying this mask are super simple and straightforward. You cleanse your face first, then you want to pat it dry and you want to allow your skin to rest a few minutes, which is my rule, not their rule. I never apply anything to my skin right after washing. It's something I was taught by dermatologists a long time ago to give your skin a few minutes. About 5 is good, just to sort of let it sort itself out before you apply a product. And that goes for masks as well. Then I like to apply a little bit of moisturizer just around the eye area so that I make sure I don't get any product on my eye. It's a mask, so I don't want clay on the skin around my eyes because those areas tend to be drier anyway, and we don't want to pull any oil away from the eyes. So after applying the mask, you want to allow it to dry for 10 minutes. Now, I went the full 10 minutes. It did seem to be drier sooner, but it's wintertime and the air is fairly dry. But I wanted to test the product as they are directing people to use it. So 10 minutes, it gets very, very dry, but it doesn't get tight. Your skin doesn't pull really tight, which I liked. Some clay masks tend to really stretch and tighten up the skin, and I don't like that feeling. And then you simply rinse it away with warm water and pat dry, and your skin is completely refreshed. It's plump, it's hydrated, it's not dry and tight. It looks very, very good. And of course it has this wonderful glow. So what is my final word on this clay mask? Well, you already know that I liked it a lot. It was easy to apply. It didn't tighten my skin. It didn't make it feel stretched out. It smells wonderful from the clay and the botanicals, which I really like that as well. Rinsed away easily. And of course it left my skin completely refreshed. I have to tell you, this is one of the best clay masks I have ever used. I will continue to use this product because I am getting really great results from it. Now, you can check this product out below. I will put a link to it in the video description box, and you can go to Gleamin.com and check out their mask and also their other products. And I hope this video helped you guys decide if this is a type of a product that you want to try yourself. Be sure and let me know what other masks that you may have used in the past or you're using that you really like. And also, if the video was helpful, please give it a like and comment below. It really helps me and it helps the channel a whole lot. I want to thank you guys for watching, supporting the channel. You know I love you. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.